Saturday, we got surprise news from Mercedes-Benz that they were throwing out some big money on remaining 2024 AMG models. Hey, it's the end of the year. Let's put some deals together on these cars. These are not going to be published incentives, which means that they are not going to be on MBUSA.com, anything like that. A dealer would have to tell you about them. I want to make sure that if you're considering an AMG this holiday season, this end of the year season, that you get the deal that you deserve, get the best possible price on these cars. So let me show you some of these cars that qualify for these incentives now. So all the GT four-door coupes now qualify, 43s, 53s, and 63s. Here's a couple of really good looking four-door coupes. Now we also have the two-door coupes. These also qualify. A few 2024s left over, including this beautiful black with the white interior. Hyper blue, this is a 2025, so it wouldn't qualify, but just to give you an idea of what some of these look like. One of the other models on the list is the GLE43S. This is the GLE43 SUV. The coupe does not qualify, and again, this is for 2024s. This here is a 2025, but visually it is the same. Here's one of our other 2024s. I love this one, white with the red interior. So this car here does qualify. Extra 10 grand off. The C63, right? The one that started it all. So it doesn't have the $7,500 lease cash anymore. That was the mistake that has been corrected, and that is because that is the federal tax credit incentive that this car doesn't qualify for because its battery is not big enough. But the incentive has been increased to a total of 5 grand, so still some great deals to be had on the C63s. Ooh, as I'm walking back to the GLC43s, check out this gorgeous 2024 GT63 SE Hybrid. The S580 plug-in hybrid is on the list. I have one here. If you're leasing, there's $7,500 lease cash, plus an additional $7,500 from Mercedes for this month. The C43 also got an incentive bump from $2,500 to 5 grand. This is the last C43 I have in stock, but they are out there, and if I don't have the one you're looking for, we can definitely get one for you. This is graphite gray Magno, one of my favorite colors. And last but certainly not least, the GLC43. Now, this beauty right here is a 2025 model, so this one would not apply for the incentive, or not qualify for it, I should say. But we can get you one like it if you are into it. This graphite gray on red is available. No difference between the two model years. They were completely redesigned for model year 2024. So the takeaway is that Mercedes is really stepping up in a huge way to end the year with some big cash amounts on remaining 2024 AMGs. Not every AMG model qualifies, but a lot of them do. And I want to make sure that you have all the information that you need to make an educated decision. I don't want you to miss out, right? If you're on the fence between a couple different vehicles that you might be interested in, between $5,000 and $15,000 of incentives, depending on the model, that could be a game changer. That could sway your decision one way or another. I want to make sure that you know about it. So my name is Doug, BenzsandBowties. If you want to work with me and my team, link in the bio. If we don't have it in stock, we'll find it for you.